Here's a look at crude on the 4-hour time frame. Once again, we had difficulty with those 69.90s as pretty much expected here, reached up into and close to the 70 mark and unable to really get any follow through here. Started seeing a pretty aggressive dump off once we, confirmed those series of lower highs, and that was a push all the way back down until looks like 68.30, where we had a little bit of a dip buying opportunity here. I still fully anticipate that we'll consolidate in this area for a little bit more before we do start breaking down and test those 66.37s again. And in the event that we do actually start making some progress in the northern direction, let's say, if we do continue to break to the upside here, 70 is going to be the hurdle that we have to actually break. Once we get above that level, in the event that that does, this is the direction we progress towards, then we'll be looking for further resistance up in the 71.30 levels. But again, I don't really think that's going to be happening. I think we have more downside, at least into the 60, low 67 area, potentially hitting as low as those, lows that we had back in earlier July. Still thinking that those 66 60s may get tested before another attempt to the upside comes back into play. But again, assuming that that does hold, then we'll be looking at another if the resistance holds, then we'll be looking at the next leg down, which is actually heading into the 63s, which is going to be around 63.80, I believe, if memory serves correctly. And that's going to be, yeah, around 63.30 or so actually is the price levels that I'm watching for. I still think that we have further downside. Just looking at this move here, we had, almost no follow through with any of these rallies, and still looking at a series of series of lower highs here. Just going back, every time we just kind of, continue to make our way to the downside. And I do think that the true direction here over the next few weeks is going to be to the downside, roughly 63.30s.